Hey, what's up guys? Phil here, and this is a review of the Hicarer 100-piece adhesive cable clips. In each pack, you'll receive 100 plastic wire clips. On the front of the clip is a hook, and on the back is a double-sided foam sticker. The backing paper on the adhesive peels off easily for quick application. The clip measures 3/8 inches by 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch thick. The gap in the middle for the wire is 3/8 of an inch wide and 1/16 of an inch thick. So they'll be useful for small wire applications, but won't really be useful for larger wires like Ethernet cables. I'll be using these clips to manage the wires for my under cabinet lights in the kitchen. I just installed these no-drill plug-in LED cabinet lights, and you can check out that review in the info bubble above. Unfortunately, they didn't come with any cable clips, so you can see that I temporarily taped up the wires. I'll be using these low-profile clips to run the wires close to the bottom of the cabinet, so that they're not visible from the front. For each clip, just peel the sticker and press the clip in place on a flat, smooth surface. Press on the clip for 1 to 3 seconds to promote good adhesion. Once placed, it'll be hard to remove the sticker intact, so if you mess up, it's better to remove the clip and any residue and use a new one. When mounting the clips, you want to make sure there's no slack in your wire to ensure that they do not hang down at all. With the excess wire, I'm just going to hide it in the gap between the cabinets. Then at each cabinet wall, I'm adding a horizontal clip to make the wire follow the corner tightly. Because the wires are thin and lightweight, I'm spacing the clips about every 8 inches. I also used the clip to hold the black power cord for the AC adapter. All in all, I used about 30 clips to hold up all the wires from my 4 LED light setup, including the power cable. And here's the finished product. From the front, you can't really see the wires under the cabinets, unless you're looking under them. So the clips did a nice job organizing and hiding the wires for these lights. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.